Hello everyone, this is Aida Golami from Agreements of Research Company, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to sort columns in Excel. So this really helps when you're working with a large data set and when you're confused with those numbers and sortings and ascendings and descendings and these things. So here there's a really simple way to do that. You just need to go to the data tab, select filter, and you can see all these drop down lists on top of your columns. So for example, for my subbasins, I now select sort smallest to largest. For my second column that maybe you don't understand because it's in Persian, but there's no problem. You can see here sort A to Z. So it will do that. Takes a little bit time. And then another one, for example, for UTMX, I choose sort smallest to largest. So you can see simple and easy. That's it for today's video. I hope you'll learn something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.